Hello, today we will guide you through how to add column in Sejda PDF Editor. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Sejda website. Sejda is a browser-based PDF tool that helps with a variety of PDF tasks, including editing text directly inside a document. Since this process happens online, it can be a convenient option when you want to make a quick change without installing extra software. Once the website loads, look for the option labeled Edit a PDF document. Click that to open Sejda's PDF editing tool. You may also notice that the page mentions the tool is free, which is helpful if you only need to make a simple edit such as adding text in a column-style area of your PDF. After the editor page opens, click Upload PDF File. This will open your computer's file browser so you can choose the document you want to edit. Take a moment here to locate the correct PDF file. If you have multiple versions of the same document saved on your device, it's a good idea to double-check the file name before moving forward so you edit the right one. Next, browse for the same PDF file on your computer and select it. Once it's selected, click Upload to bring the document into Sejda PDF Editor. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. When the PDF finishes loading, you'll be taken into the editing workspace where you can make your changes directly on the page. In the editor, click on Text. This tool allows you to place new text anywhere on the PDF. It's especially useful when you want to add content into an empty space, fill in a form-like area, or create text that visually fits into a column. Now click anywhere on the form or page where you want to add the column text. After clicking, type your sample text into the text box. As you enter the text, pay attention to the spacing and alignment so it appears neatly in the location you want. If needed, you can reposition the text to better fit the layout of the document and make it look more organized. That's the process for adding column text in Sejda PDF Editor. Once your text is placed correctly, you can review the page to make sure everything looks clear and properly aligned before continuing with any other edits.